Hello, and welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Laura, Marketing Director for Sallie Tomato, and today I'm so excited to unbox day 10 of our 2024 Sallie Tomato Co Box. So let's see what we have here. It says, Day 10, Add Style. The perfect little addition to Day 13 to add a little flair to your project. We can't wait to see what you make. Share a photo on social media of your project created from the items in this box, or show off your favorite items with the hashtag Sallie Tomato Box to join in on the fun. So let's see what we have. This 10th item is another no-sew project that adds a little pop to your bag. This project can be added to any bag or keychain and is completely customizable. Charms to add to your bags have been more and more prevalent in recent years. This fun tiered tassel no-sew project takes the bag tassels we know up a notch. This tiered tassel project only uses a few small pieces of fabric, while also including a new technique to add quilting cottons to the back of your faux leather. We hope you enjoy adding this little accent to your next handmade bag project. And if you want to snag next year's box, be sure to click the link in the description below so you can get notified right away when we promote next year's box. Please share and show off your photos of your completed projects. We'd love to see your style. Use the hashtags Sallie Tomato and Sallie Tomato Box on social media so we can see it. If you enjoyed watching today's video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below so that you'll get notified right away when we release a new video. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait for you to see what we'll be unboxing for tomorrow.